Well, dear students, there are some questions asked in competitive exam regarding a de Broglie wave. A particle of mass 1 milligram. A particle of mass 1 milligram has same wavelength, has same lambda as electron moving with a velocity of 3 × 10⁶ meter per second. Then velocity of particle क्या होगा? Wavelength of mass 1 milligram, lambda of mass 1 milligram is the same as that of electron moving velocity this. So what is the wavelength? What is the speed of the particle? You are given here option. This question has been asked in PMT 2008. You know lambda is equal to h upon p. If electron and mass has same lambda by h is same for all, then momentum of the two is same. If wavelength of mass 1 milligram equal to wavelength of electron with velocity 3 × 10⁶, then mass of particle 10⁻⁻⁶, it is 1 milligram 10⁻⁻⁶ kg into B is equal to mass of electron nearly 9.0 10⁻⁻31 or into 3 × 10⁶. So this V come out to be 9 3 are 27 10⁻⁻31 10⁻12. So it comes out to be 27 10⁻⁻19 or 2.7 10⁻⁻18 meter per second. So this will be the velocity of electron. I hope we have got it. Now, next question here is, ये चौक ठीक नहीं चले रहा, दूसरे राउंड में. De Broglie wavelength. De Broglie lambda of neutron in thermal equilibrium with heavy water at temperature T and mass m is given by 4 options are there. A equal to h upon A option है h upon under root m kt. B option B option is there. H upon under root 3 mkt. Here T also. mkt. C option 2h upon under root 3 mkt. mkt. And B option 2h upon under root mkt. Now dear student, what he is saying, a neutron of mass m, neutron of mass m is in thermal equilibrium with high water at temperature T. It means temperature of neutron is equal to temperature of heavy water. Simple सी बात है. Neutron is in thermal equilibrium with high water at temperature T. It means temperature of neutron is capital T. From kinetic theory of gases, kinetic energy per particle, kinetic energy per particle is 3 by kT. From kinetic theory of gases, the kinetic energy per particle 3 by 2 kT. And lambda you know h upon under root 2mk. 2k. Ke. Ke means here k is Boltzmann constant. Here k is kinetic energy. So lambda equal to h upon under root 2m and it is 3 by 2 kt. 2 cancel. So it is h upon under root 3m kt. ये स्मॉल k है यहाँ, सॉरी, हाँ भाई. तो दिस ऑप्शन इज ट्रू. बी ऑप्शन स्मॉल k है. I hope you are getting my point. So this was another question here. Now remember d Broglie wavelength as a particle lambda equal to h upon p or equal to h upon under root 2mk. K means kinetic energy, not any other energy. Kinetic energy. Now question, another question here is kinetic energy of proton. Kinetic energy of proton is equal to the energy E of a photon of wavelength photon if wavelength नहीं आ रहा, sorry, if lambda 1 b d Broglie wavelength of the proton and lambda 2 that of photon then the ratio lambda 1 upon lambda 2, option A E, option B e to the power half, option C e to the power minus half, option D e to the power minus 1. So you are asked what is the ratio of lambda 1 upon lambda. Lambda 1 is the d Broglie wavelength of proton. Energy of proton is E. The energy of proton equal to the energy E of photon. Lambda 1 wavelength of proton equal to h upon under root 2 m E is the kinetic energy, and it is also or E the energy of photon, which is h upon lambda 2. So lambda 2 here equal to hc upon E. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So lambda 1 upon lambda 2 h upon under root 2 m E or into E upon hc. तो उसने कहा लैम्बडा 1 अपॉन लैम्बडा 2 प्रोपोर्शनल टू क्या होगा. हियर दिस एच कैंसिल, 2m और c कांस्टेंट है. दिस इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू e अपॉन e टू द पावर हाफ, और लैम्बडा 1 अपॉन लैम्बडा 2 प्रोपोर्शनल टू e टू द पावर माइनस हाफ. द ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. Option B is correct. I hope you are understanding all these questions. These questions are asked in different competitive exam. This question has been asked JEE 2004. If kinetic energy of particle increases to 16 times, भाई kinetic energy पहले k थी तो k डैश 16k हो जाए. Then percentage change in the d Broglie wavelength of particle. Percentage change in the wavelength will be number 1 25%, B 75%, C 60%, and D option 50%. If kinetic energy of particle increase to 16, simple question, lambda equal to h upon under root 2mk. So lambda dash will be h upon under root 2m into 16k. क्या निकालना है? परसेंटेज चेंज इंक्रीज. लैम्बडा डैश माइनस लैम्बडा अपॉन लैम्बडा पर इंटू 100% फाइंड आउट करना है. तो लैम्बडा डैश इक्वल टू 1/4 इंटू एच अपॉन अंडर रूट 2m k, यानी कि इट इज लैम्बडा। तो लैम्बडा डैश इक्वल टू लैम्बडा बाई 4 और लैम्बडा डैश अपॉन लैम्बडा इक्वल टू 1/4 निकालना है। ये क्या करें, -1 कर दो बोथ साइड, यानी कि लैम्बडा डैश अपॉन लैम्बडा -1 1/4 माइनस लैम्बडा 1। तो हियर यू विल गेट लैम्बडा डैश माइनस लैम्बडा अपॉन लैम्बडा -3/4 and therefore lambda dash minus lambda upon lambda into 100 equal to -3/4 into 100, यानी कि 75% डिक्रीज हो जाएगी। इट विल डिक्रीज बाई 75%। This question has been asked PMT 2014। 2014 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया। आप ये लास्ट चैप्टर्स आर सिंपल, बट प्रॉब्लम दैट स्टूडेंट remains involved in electrostatic, in mechanics, keep on being mastery in them, and no one become master of electrostatic and mechanics. So better you attempt all these questions. Now one more question here is electron of mass m. Electron of mass, electron of mass m has electron of mass m and photon have same energy capital E. The ratio of de Broglie wavelength यानी कि लैम्बडा ई अपॉन लैम्बडा फोटोन रेशो क्या होगा। ऑप्शन है यहाँ पर गिवन। ए ऑप्शन इज देयर 1/c E upon 2m to the power half। B option E upon 2m to the power half। C option C into 2m E to the power half। and D option 1/c under root 2m upon E to the power half means under root। तो प्रोटॉन और फोटोन हैव सेम एनर्जी। तो लैम्बडा ई जो है इट इज इक्वल टू एच अपॉन अंडर रूट 2m इंटू ई। मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन m कह दिया। और लैम्बडा फॉर फोटोन इज इक्वल टू एच सी अपॉन लैम्बडा फोटोन, यानी कि लैम्बडा पी फॉर फोटोन हियर एच सी अपॉन ई। सिंपली डिवाइड लैम्बडा ई अपॉन लैम्बडा पी एच अपॉन अंडर रूट 2m ई। डिवाइड करना है तो E अपॉन एच सी ना भाई। So this H cancel. So it is left here. 1/c or is e to power half upon 2m. This is the option A. Option A is true for this. Yes. So I hope. Is that clear? यहाँ थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया, नीचे लिखा गया। भाई हम इसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो लैम्बडा ई अपॉन लैम्बडा पी, लैम्बडा ई वेवलेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, लैम्बडा पी वेवलेंथ फोटोन। देखो ये पावर ई टू पावर हाफ है, ऊपर कंप्लीट है, तो पावर हाफ ऊपर से बच गया 1/c और अंडर रूट ई अपॉन 2m. It means you can write that c into e upon 2m to the power half. So these are questions based on de Broglie wave. You can try more questions from different books. Thank you.